But it's unbelievable that we have reached 1,000 episodes.
Again, I'm very fortunate to be part of that.
Mícheál Seoige, lá Shantaino lá trícha de bhíanair. Cúisim húnún warú Pauline Vern. Fialta cahir de nacht am drí chuirú lídeag necha seacht. Ní gágad é rá mar a mí let, ach é dhearras tú. Thug for sí sa scríbnex féidir úsáid marína se.
I was actually myself and my mother in the programme, Rita. The two of us were actually the first two people to be seen.
Well, it has changed in many ways, really. When we began first, it was only a small group of us.
Characters have come and characters have gone, and that happens in any soap.
I always think that a soap is at a crossroads, and it has 4 or maybe several different roads to travel down. From day one, there has been a lovely, easy atmosphere in Russnaroon. Not that the work was easy, it gets difficult, long days, sometimes long nights.
Seemingly, the public enjoy it, and we enjoy it, and the crew enjoy it. So I think that helped an awful lot to get us where we are today.
And a lot of things have happened, but I still get the same fun, the same buzz out of doing it.